Hi, Jonathan York from IRG-BOP, looking at the economic data and see if the economic recovery is really building up a head of steam out there. Certainly the latest data coming out of the US with the jobs data, which was released early Saturday morning New Zealand time, was pretty encouraging. Did show a continued upward trend in private jobs in the private sector, and that has buoyed stock markets pretty much around the world, following on from the good Australian GDP data towards the middle of last week, and also the encouraging news coming out of China as well, that their economy is still picking up at quite a reasonable rate. So this positive news should bode pretty well for the early part of the week with the share markets. In Australia, we've got the Reserve Bank meeting this week, and there is further speculation after that very strong GDP number from Australia. There will be a further increase in Australian rates. Currently they're 4.5, and an increase would take them up to 4.75. That is still obviously quite a bit ahead of the current New Zealand level at 3%. Domestically, obviously, it's still very early days yet to see the full impact of the events in Christchurch over the weekend. Obviously, our thoughts are with the Christchurch region, and hope they manage to get things sorted out fairly quickly. In terms of the impact on the domestic economy, I say it is too early really to consider the full impact of that. I think what it does do, though, it just further guarantees there will be no change in interest rates here in New Zealand at the meeting towards the end of September. There was a very small chance that interest rates might have been increased further, but I think now just wait and see what the impact of the earthquake is. That will just guarantee the rates are left on hold now in New Zealand, possibly for the rest of the year. If you still have any greenstone applications, you need to get those returned very quickly. Manukau still in the marketplace, local authority bond. Indication rate at the moment is 6.45 to 6.75, and if you do have any interest in that, call us on 0800 867 323 to discuss that further. As always, you can visit the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. There's the Greenstone and the Manukau investment statements available there. Also, obviously, the disclosure statement available on the website. We look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.